Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to Hong Kong and we just took the bus and then we are gonna take metro and gonna head to Disneyland. Yay! So the metro was so awesome. I mean, it was designed like Mickey Mouse. Wow, it was themed of Mickey Mouse, as you can see. So the handle was also of Mickey Mouse. Wow, crazy. So we reached to the station of the Disneyland and we were just so excited to go there. Oh my gosh. And we were just climbing the stairs and waiting for our turn to go. And look at the view, the cleanliness. Oh my gosh. And the weather was so chill. And we reached to the Disneyland finally. Yay! So it was the Disneyland of Hong Kong. And as you can see, the streets, oh my gosh, damn. Wow. And we loved walking there. And this is the welcome to Disneyland board, and your magical journey begins. Yahoo! So we were just going in the queue and heading to the rides and all of that. And voila! Here's a photo booth. I mean, you can click great photos over here. So this was the pathway. Look at the bubbles. The rides were just fantastic over there. And here is the Halloween theme. Here's the Mickey and the castle. And we were heading into the castle. And the castle was gorgeous. Wow. Again, the bubbles. And the princesses. Oh my gosh, they were so beautiful. Haha, elephant ride. Another ride, but this time it's of horses. The dream ride. And here's the ride, Frozen Ever After. And you can buy many things from here for your friends, family, but it is expensive, a little bit. but there was so much cute stuff.
Now we need the magic
And
word.
here's a magician.
The magic word is... That's not the magic word, I'm sorry. Just what am I doing? No, the magic word is... That's right, like a chicken. Here we go, everybody. 1, 2, 3. That's more for me than for you. All right, throw up the magic egg. Oh, egg. Oh my goodness. Now, unfortunately, I cannot tell you how I do this trick, but I can show you how I do it. So, what I do is I take the egg, I put it in the bag. Let's see here. Can you feel the egg in the bag right there?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. We can feel the egg in the bag. So what that means is in this hand, I have an egg in a bag. In this hand, I have 4 fingers and a thumb. I'll roll up my sleeves because some of you might not. I take the egg out, I give it a squeeze. What's that over there? The egg disappears. It's not under my it's not under my arm, and that's what you think. The other side?
It's on your arm.
Nope. All right. You think I pointed over there and I put it underneath, but no. I'll tell you where it went. It traveled from the bag all the way around and landed in your pocket, my friend. Your pocket. But it didn't stop there and I kept going. That'd be a good trick, right? That'd be a good trick. And it landed all the way back into. Is there anything in the bag, sir? Your hand is in the bag, sir. No, I'm just being silly. No, we need the magic word, right, everybody? Magic word, 1, 2, 3. Good job, everyone. And go ahead, princess, one more time. Give it a try. Yes. Oh, very good, everybody. Very good.
And here's another ride. Playhouse in the woods. Let's go. The show was just so fabulous, and the princesses speechless. Damn.
I'm so glad you're here. Today is such a special day. It's Summer Snow Day. Hasuji.
我最愛下雪節啦，因為喺呢一日，強大而神秘嘅獨角鯨打咗個乞嗤，噴咗好多雪出嚟，覆蓋住阿德爾。
Oh no, it's not about the mighty mystical marvel.
好啦，我最愛下雪節啦，因為。
Getting there one more time. Descending. Na na na, hey na na. That was better. Oh, that one. What's happening over here? Oh my goodness. I think it might be a turkey. Thank you so much for your help, everyone. Okay, now we have to ensure the playhouse is ready. Let's take a look. Hi, Olaf. Anna. So you're here. Oh, I've missed you so much.
哦，有咩好得過見到佢哋兩姊妹諗諗？
Oh, I've missed you too, Olaf.
哦，點會㗎？我咪喺度咯。
Anna, this is amazing. I can't believe this is the same place we used to play when we were little. You really like it? Absolutely. Some of my favorite memories are playing with you this way. And there's nothing better than seeing it full of friends. Hello, everyone. Oh, so we're so happy you're here, especially on Summer Snow Day. Look, we asked the greatest artisans in Irondale to create these sculptures. Each one represents a different spirit of the forest. Well, perhaps it's even the color of the spirit.
I'm saying.
making connections. You have chosen A. Like the wind spirit, you are playful and
中意
adventurous.
機遇咁，中意玩又中意冒險，
I love summer snow day. Me too.
係最正嘅下雪節啊！
Summer snow is about ponds and the bridge between animals and the enchanted forest shall be strong forever. Honey, you are a wonderful sister. And a great queen. Well, I love you guys. Today has been such a fun day. But Elsa, it's not quite over yet, is it? It's not quite on.
咁係咪超神秘獨角鯨就嚟要打黑戰噴雪啦？
No, nothing like that.
And another ride.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an
This
unselfish
one
act
was
of
so
true love and full of frozen heart. Indeed.
Another one.
Let's just call it. Are you ready to see
Oh, it's done.
歡迎你哋翻嚟啊！請繼續坐好，直至船隻完全停定為止。記得帶
Ooh, that was scary. It was so beautiful.
Inside the boat.
Welcome.
Please watch your children. Thank you. 为了您的安全，请您在整个过程中在自己上锁好。
Wow. So wonderful. And here's a show that was so good.
Thing. Come on, everyone, let's put your hands together. together for the theme. 咁細聲嘅，大聲啲
Member
，come
of
on,
the
super
Fantastic
louder.
Four.
And one
You
more
must all know
time.
him. He's Ben.
That's so fantastic. Hello Ben and welcome. 多謝你今日嚟到呢一度同你嘅支持者見面。呢度有好多人都好仰慕你，好想知道關於你嘅一切。Alright, everyone, welcome to the family. 歡迎大家加入呢個大家庭。而家係時候同你嘅英雄見面啦。It is time to come and greet your hero. 大家請跟隨指示排好隊。Please form an orderly.
And here's my favorite one. Iron Man experience. So it's not a ride, but it's like a showcase where you click photos.
Mr. Stark, your guess is arrived. Or maybe let's call him Iron Man. Let's go, Iron Man!
Iron Man!
Yes!
Say Iron Man? If not, somebody say Iron Man!
Again!
Iron Man!
Yeah!
Okay, let's make it happen.
Get ready your cameras.
Okay, everyone, picture time and be patient. There are a lot of you, and as we all know, there's only one of me.
All right,
I
picture
think
time.
it's picture time.
And here's the ride for
Don't disappoint me.
my another favorite one. If you are a Marvel fan, you must visit this ride.
呢隻係第3級，突擊戰車上嘅記錄將會記錄你哋嘅擊中位，記住瞄準機械重量。
Hey kids, fun fact.
指達思想請講。
Intel shows.
Everyone pick up those blasters and prepare to kick some butt.
You gotta aim and then shoot. And you can buy these statues of the great Marvel characters. Another one. It was so cute. And you get 3 options, 3 characters, and you have to choose that which one do you want a photo with. We went with the pink rabbit. I don't know the name, but yeah, it was pink rabbit. And there was also brown bear and a green turtle. Here's the brown bear, and here's the pink rabbit. Adventureland. If you are a fan of adventures rides, you must go with this one. It will make you feel like that you are in a real jungle. OMG, someone help him.
No, he's not waving back. I haven't dealt with the
They were so cute. If you know these characters, please comment down.
肥為 party 加添歡樂嘅氣氛，你真係一個好好嘅朋友啊
Look, Daphne and his friends brought decorations.
These decorations are beautiful.